How to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have accidentally deleted a text message or an entire conversation on your iPhone, don't worry. You can recover them. In today's video, I'll show you 3 different methods to get your message back. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the method 1, that is to recover from recently deleted in Message app. So open the Message app on your iPhone and simply tap on Edit at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Show Recently Deleted option and you will see a list of deleted conversation. If the conversation you want is there, simply tap on Recover next to it, and after that your message will be restored. But note that this deleted message stay in the recently deleted folder for 30 days, and after that they are permanently deleted. So if it is been a while, you need to try other methods. So the method 2 is to check iCloud messages sync. So if your deleted message are synced to iCloud, you might still be able to recover them. So open the settings, and once you have opened it, simply tap on your name at the top. Now tap on iCloud, and then after that simply tap on See All under Apps using iCloud. Now scroll down and make sure Messages is toggled on. But if it is turned on, simply tap on Message in iCloud and then toggle it off, and you'll see an option to disable or download. So simply tap on that and it will download all your messages from iCloud back to your iPhone, including any deleted messages that are still in iCloud. Now method 3, that is to restore iPhone from iCloud backup. So if the first two methods didn't work, you can restore them from an iCloud backup that might contain your deleted messages. So simply go back to the settings and tap on General, and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And now simply select Erase all content and settings, and this will erase everything on your iPhone. But don't worry, if you have a backup, you can restore it. After the erase process is done, simply set up your iPhone like a new and will prompt it, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the backup that was made before and the messages that were deleted. And after that, this will restore your iPhone to the state including the deleted messages. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways to recover deleted messages on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.